welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my makeup collection. This video has been requested by some of you who follow me on Instagram. I asked a couple of weeks ago if you wanted to see my makeup collection, and this is exactly why I'm doing this video. Now before I start this video, I want to give a little bit of a disclaimer that I am not trying to show off in any sort of way. This is the makeup that I've collected over the years, bought it by myself, or makeup has been kindly gifted to me. Everyone starts with a few products. I started out with my mom's makeup products, but I feel like I have a lot for one person. I try and declutter every month or so as much as I can, because ultimately it's my workspace, and all these products that I'm using is for reviews, for doing tutorials, for doing looks. So a lot of makeup is useful for me. It's not that it just sits around, if that makes sense. So it is a part of my job, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started. Just to give an overview, this is where I work. This is my desk. I don't like a lot of clutter on my table, so basically I don't have much going on apart from my skincare and hair care stuff that I'm going to be showing you in a minute. But these are the 4 drawers that I keep my makeup. So I just want to talk to you about my storage. So this is actually a utensil cutlery organizer. I got it from a local supermarket. You can get it on Amazon as well, but I feel like this makes my organization much more easier as well, because a lot of my eye products are tiny and also long, so they fit perfectly. I try and work with what I already have. So for example, I have like these boxes which come in PR sometimes, so I just use them up rather than throwing them away, just to store smaller things like this. Over here I have my P. Louise, they're glitter bases, my P. Louise paints, and obviously my P. Louise bases. I have them in 4 colors, 0, 2, 4 and 6. I want to expand my collection. I love P. Louise. Over here I have my liquid eyeshadows. They're from Huda Beauty mainly, but I have some Color Bar and Cover FX as well. Over here I keep my loose glitters and some loose eyeshadow. Then I have my mascaras here. So my favorite has to be this one by MAC, the Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I keep my Kohl's, my liquid eyeliners. One of my favorites is the Sephora one. I have my eyebrow products. Now as you can see, I don't have a lot of brow products, because what I'm trying to do right now is trying to use up my old stuff first and then purchase one. So this is from ABH. I have my ABH clear brow gel. This is from Muji. It holds all my lashes. So I have a lot of strip lashes from PAC, from Ardell. Yeah, I just keep my lashes here. And here, as you can see, I have a few of my eyeshadow palettes which are small. Everything from the Color Bar to Makeup by Mario. All my ABH palettes. So this one is a super special one to me, because this was honestly one of my first palettes that I invested in. So super proud of it. I know it has hit pan, but I like to keep it just because of the memories. Smaller to medium size eyeshadow palettes here, because it's easy to grab them. And I also keep my lip glosses here. It's because there's not enough space in my lip drawer, so I keep them here. Moving on to our second drawer, this is where I keep my face base stuff. So everything from primers to foundation. Let me start off with primers. So I keep this basket where I have all my primer bases, some illuminators. I keep my foundations here. So I have a lot of shades which vary. One of my most favorite ones is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Vanuatu in the winters, and in summers I am Valencia. I also really like the Maybelline Polish, Matte and Polish one a lot. Here is my Pride and Joy. I love concealers. I hold on to concealers more than any makeup product, because that's one makeup product that I cannot live without. So pretty much I have my Fenty matte sticks here, some Ilia Beauty multi-use sticks, NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealers, which I absolutely love. Just some orange correctors back here, the Tarte bronzer. So all of my cream products are here. This is also a really cool organizer that I found in my local store. So I like to keep my highlighters back here, because I don't use a lot of highlighters these days, so I keep them at the back. Then I have all my blushes. One of my favorite is this MAC one. It is in the shade Gingerly. And then I keep all my powders over here and some bronzers. This is my favorite bronzer. It's the NARS Laguna bronzer. So over here I keep my larger face palettes that don't fit over here. So I like to keep my color correcting palettes, highlighting palettes, contouring palettes, blush palettes, and more highlighting palettes. So this is all my face drawer. Moving on to our third drawer, I like to keep my large eyeshadow palettes here and all my lip products. So lip liners, most of them are from MAC, Morphe, some of them are PAC, Lani, and even Huda Beauty. I usually like a lot of nudie brown lip liners, so I have heaps of those. I like to segregate my lipsticks not by bullet lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. I like to segregate them by color. So over here you can see the bright reds, oranges, like a warm nude, this is pinky nude, a lot of bright pinks and dark shades as well, which I don't use often, but I like to keep them just in case. But yeah, this is one of my favorite palettes. This is from Be Perfect Cosmetics. So it has pretty much all the colors that I would use. Yeah, I can't believe I've already hit pan on brownie. It's one of my favorite shades. So if you want to invest in a really good quality but affordable palette, definitely have a look out for this one. Fourth and the final drawer is my miscellaneous drawer. Now you will probably laugh at this drawer because it actually makes me laugh as well, because I have just random stuff put in over here. So I like to keep my false nails over here, some foil paper for filming, some baby wipes just because if I have to wipe a product down or something or there's a spillage. And these are the clips for my background if I want to hang something. In this box I have all of my props. So as you can see, there's a lot of tape, glue, stickers, beads, a lot of diamantes. I usually get my nails done, so I don't have a lot of products over here. But this is a really nice color from K Beauty. It's in the shade Bittersweet. And that is it for my miscellaneous drawer. Whenever I'm filming, I like to have my equipments and my tools right next to me. So I have my face rollers, gua sha. If I want to have soap brows, I have a block of soap over here. I have my face razors, some scissors, random cotton buds if I want to wipe something, my tweezers, my eyelash colors, sharpeners, eyelash glue. And I also like to keep my palette over here that I can quickly access. Over here I like to keep my name cards, just something to write down, a pen and paper. Then for my desk area, I like to keep my mirror, which I use for filming, right next to me. I have my hair products over here, from heat protectant to finishing sprays. And I like to keep my everyday jewelry here. I got this necklace from Shop Fasana. They're on Instagram and I absolutely love their pieces. Lip balms here, a hand cream, some perfumes. And now on to this section, which is just my everyday skincare. So I like to keep my toners here. My Micellar water is a must. Some MAC Fix Plus, and this is the setting spray. Yeah, this is Morphe setting sprays. Some NYX setting sprays, which I absolutely love. My moisturizer, sunscreens. This is a brush cleaner, instant brush cleaner. Then my oils, face oils, body moisturizers, aloe gel. So this is just everyday quick skincare. I'm currently obsessed with this sunscreen. It is so beautiful on the skin. It looks like it has tint in it, but it doesn't really. Over here, I like to keep my hair accessories and brushes. So my clean brushes and my dirty ones. Beauty blenders, cotton buds, and some cotton squares. In the second drawer, I like to keep a lot of my hair accessories, so like rollers, some scrunchies, some hair bands back there, just a little bit of everything. And the last one is full of hair equipments, combs and everything, so nothing too exciting. So guys, that's it for my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of like the behind the scenes and stuff like that, just let me know in the comments down below. Would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell. It would really help me out. Comment down below what you would like to see next. I think I have an idea of what I want to upload next. I want to be super consistent on YouTube. Just feel all the good energy here. So I hope you have a lovely day and see you next time.